Hey guys, welcome to Crypto 440. Today we got another apw8 power supply in for repair. We're going to be going over in a little more detail in this video of the repair process on these. Let's see what they wrote. I accidentally plugged in a 110 volt into this unit. About 15 minutes it kicked the breaker off. That's when I discovered what I've done. I believe the fuse may be shot and maybe other components. I don't know how you accidentally plug into 110, but whatever. Let's get it open and get started. All right. First things first. Check the fuse. All right. Fuse is blown. Now let's check the bridge. Oh yeah. Shorted right out. Let's check these diodes down here. Seems all right. All right, I'm going to take this out to the repair bench. I'm going to try to record some with my phone so you can kind of see how I do it. Get this thing cleaned up. We'll see how it goes. Let's get into it. Got all back together, working just fine. Now to ship it out. I had to change the rectifier and a MOSFET. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.